So there may be another subtle shift back towards the east with this 11 o'clock advisory. There's the center of circulation starting to fill in a little bit tonight. There's a little bit of an eye wall replacement going on, and sometimes that can create that. But there's also some drier air building in.
I live right there. That's where I live. Right where my finger is. See my finger? That's where I live. I live right there. My finger is, that's where I live, bro.
On that northwest side, maybe getting as far south as that western edge, you can see a sharp western side. Let's hope that trend can continue and this core of green cannot wrap around. If that happens, then we're going to have ourselves an intense hurricane at landfall, something that would be even stronger than what we have right now. The IR showing, look at the winds now. Increasing the northeastern Gulf, 56 buoy there, over towards the Keys. We lost our observations.
So I'll show you it. I'm not sure what time they said. It'll probably be in the morning. Tonight, early morning. But we're just getting a light rain. I mean, you couldn't even tell that we're gonna have a big old... They'll be coming from that way. We're going right over here. I mean, the path is right over my house. Once again. We're coming from this way. We're going right up through here. So, hope for better. I'm probably going to hit you up in a couple hours and we'll tell you what's going on, but that's it for now. Calm before the storm.